Hello everyone, welcome to PC Academy. In this video you're going to see me replace the screen in an Asus Vivobook. The screens in these laptops are super thin and very delicate. Unfortunately the job didn't go as originally planned. The screen came in and was cracked, so the customer was going to have it replaced. However, you will see in the video how that changes. It's nobody's fault. Sometimes circumstance or finances get in the way and a customer can easily change their mind. So let's get straight into the video and you'll see what I mean. Just removing the Wi-Fi card. If I can keep the connectors onto the card, it can sometimes make life easier than having to try and work connecting little connectors like that. If it comes off, then so be it, but we'll try and not. There's this hinge up. Little screw hiding there, another little screw. Should be all the screws now. There we go. Okay, so we shall have a look and see if this cover just flicks off or whether it has to be slid off. Doesn't feel like there's any movement there to slide it off, so we will assume that it's going to have to clip off. We shall go very gently. Okay. We don't want to break any of the plastic lugs. So that all looks good. The screen is already cracked down here, which the customer is aware of. So when we get to that part, it'll probably become apparent, as you can see. So we shall take our time with the rest of it. Okay, so there should be a tab here, so we should pull up on that tab and wrap it around, and then gently do a bit at a time. Don't rush this part, and don't pull too much at once, because if this breaks behind the screen, it's a lot more work. So bit at a time. Okay. You can see that screen is now loose on that side. And that should be the screen all loose now, as you can see. And that is the screen out. So the customers decided not to have the screen replaced due to the cost. They've decided to go against it and actually just have an external monitor instead. So we've got no option. What we said we would do is at least put the old screen back in and get it all rebuilt. They're aware that the screen is cracked and smashed anyway, but at least it'll be a complete unit. So we might as well carry on and at least just get the screen back. Don't forget the one with the little wire. Okay, so that's the item back together. What we're going to do is switch it on and try it on an external screen and make sure that that works. Okay, so the laptop is working absolutely fine on an external monitor, which is how the customer wanted it, and that's how they're going to be using it. So we'll get this put back on now and get the laptop fully rebuilt. Okay, so that's all the screws back in, laptop fully rebuilt and working on an external screen.